Hi everyone, welcome to Zerosack Networks Pvt Limited Learning Center. Today in this video we are going to learn about different types of Google Ads campaigns and their goals. So let's get started. About Google Ads campaign types, advertising with Google Ads starts with creating a campaign. The type of campaign you choose to create should be based on your advertising goals. For example, if you'd like to show ads on Google.com to get more visitors to your website, you should choose a search network campaign. What is campaign goals? As you get started with your campaign setup, you'll be asked to select campaign goals and pick a campaign type. You can select a goal for your campaign based on the actions you'd like your customers to take. Each advertising network has different types of campaigns to suit your goals. So before selecting your campaign type, you should set your advertising goals as per your business need. Although if you do not know your business goals, don't worry about campaign goal, by selecting campaign without goal, and you can always make a change to your goal from campaign settings. When you select a goal, you'll see suggested campaign settings on the following steps aimed at helping you obtain that goal. Each campaign can use only one goal. Keep in mind the goal you choose should be the main thing you want to achieve for your business. Type of goals include sales. By using this goal you can drive sales in-app, by phone, or in-store. Based on selected goals you will see the related campaigns. Leads. By using this goal you can get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take action. Website traffic. By using this goal you can get the right people to visit your website. Product and brand consideration. By using this goal you can encourage people to explore your product or services. Brand awareness and reach. By using this goal you can reach to broad audience and build awareness. App promotion. By using this goal you can get more installs and interactions for your app. Finally, if no goals matches to your business you can create a campaign without a goal. What is campaign types? Campaign types determine where customers see your ads and the settings and options available to you. Campaign types include search network campaign. By using this campaign type you can create text or call that show near search results of Google.com, on Google search partners sites, and more. Display network campaign. By using this campaign type you can create visually appealing ads that serve across the Google Display Network, on YouTube, and on mobile or in-app. Shopping campaign. By using this campaign type you can create shopping ads that drive online and in-store sales, website clicks, and other conversions. Video campaign. By using this campaign type you can create video ads that are designed to increase reach and awareness, encourage engagement, or drive conversions. Universal app campaign. By using this campaign type you can create app promotion ads that serve across the Google Search Network, Display Network, Google Play, within other apps, and on YouTube. In new Google Ads experience. If you would like to create a search network campaign targeting the display network, known as Search Network with Display Select, you can select Search Network as your campaign type, then opt into the display network in your network settings in the new Google Ads experience. All campaign types are centered around Google's advertising networks, the Google Search Network, the Google Display Network, and the YouTube network. Before creating any campaign, you must select any type of goal from sales to no goal campaign. Then select relative campaign type in which networks you want to show your ads. Different type of networks like Google Search Network, Google Partner Sites, YouTube networks, in-app or mobile networks. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt and queries, please post your comment. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work.